Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This video is going to be my intro for hashtag Partners in Cream 2021. I know I'm a little late, but it's better late than never. This project was created by Delyn and Steph. They're both here on YouTube. I'll have both of their channels in the description box. And yeah, I know I'm late. I think last year I joined the project pretty late as well. And somehow I just stopped doing updates. I'm gonna try to do a lot better this year with monthly updates. This project is a year-long project pan, and it doesn't have to be panning a product. It could be just a usage goal, whatever goal you want to do for your cream products. For me, I really enjoy cream products like complexion cream products, and sometimes I just need a little bit of motivation to get some use out of them. So that's what I'm gonna do in this project. I've pre-selected 6 items, and I think I'm gonna try and keep it always at 6 items that I always want to work on. For all of them, I just have a usage goal. Before we go ahead and get started, if you enjoy project pan videos, or if you enjoyed this video while you're watching it, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Now let's get into it. I counted my cream single shadows, and I think I'm at 31. It's a lot, and I tend to always just reach for certain ones, the ones that I do really like. So what I'm gonna try and do with this project is try to get through as many of these cream eyeshadows as I possibly can. I'm gonna start with 2 of my ColourPop Super Shock shadows. I have a usage goal of 5 for each one of them. They're absolutely stunning, and these are like the Super Shock shadows. I know they kind of like dry out really quickly. I do have some Duraline that I can like use to revive them a little bit, but I do want to get some more use out of them. I do really like them, and they're just so beautiful. Look at this one. This is in the shade Bow Down. This could use some Duraline right now. It's a little bit dried out. So it's such a beautiful like sparkly purple. It's stunning. So I have a goal of 5 uses on this one, and the same with this other one, and this is in the shade Voila. Oh, this is also really beautiful. This one is not as dried out, or it's not dried out at all actually. It's still pretty creamy. I love these, and they're just so easy to use. I just tend to not reach for them. I would use them as either like a one shadow look or just to top a different eyeshadow look. So 5 usage each for each one of them. And hopefully when I do my first month update, I would have used both of these 5 times, then I can roll in other 2 Super Shock shadows. We'll see, fingers crossed. Next for bronzer, I tried to keep it kind of like vary it for like not all eyeshadows, not all like base products or anything like that. So I decided to go ahead and pick a bronzer. This is the Cheeks Out in the shade Macchiato, and this is by Fenty Beauty. For this one, I would like to use it 10 times before I pull in a different cream bronzer. Last year I put in my nude sticks, one of my nude sticks, the shade Bondi Bay. I had a very small goal in it, and I know I never did my update for that project, and I wish I did, because let me show you how much I have left of that. Like this is nothing. This was almost brand new when I put it in the project last year. Anyways, so I think like if I set my mind on something, I will go ahead and do it, and that's what I'm gonna do with this one. I would like to use this one 10 times. I do have other cream bronzers, and that's what I'm gonna try to do. Like once I hit my goal in this one, I'll pull in a different cream bronzer. I did pull in a liquid blush. I know, right? I'm very ambitious. This is the NARS liquid blush in the shade Estoril. I love this color. It's so beautiful. The formula of this one is really nice too. I just apply a little bit on the back of my hand and use like a dual fiber brush to just stipple it on my cheeks. The color is beautiful. The formula is amazing. And for this one, I would also like to use it 10 times. I do have other cream blushes that once I hit my goal in this one, I'll probably roll in a different cream blush. I put in a lipstick this time around, and I don't know if you watched my bullet lipstick collection in Declutter. I'll have it in the description box, and I'll have it in the cards above, but I had quite a couple lipsticks from Pat McGrath that went bad on me and I had to throw them out. So I'm like, okay, time to use the ones that I do have that I do really like. This is by Pat McGrath. And this is the shade Flesh Fatale, and this is one of the Blitz Trance lipsticks. This was a gift from my husband and I use it, just not enough, and I would like to use this guy 10 times as well. This is what it looks like. It's swatch. It's definitely like, it's got that glow glitter to it, not really chunks of glitter, but it's glowy. Again, I would like to use it 10 times. I'm gonna make it a goal this year to use some of my favorite lipsticks at least 10 times each before they go bad on me. You're gonna be seeing lots of reds coming up. And then the last product that I'm gonna work on is by Becca, and this is the Under Eye Brightening Corrector. I really like this product. I enjoy it a lot. I just always forget to use it. My goal for this one is to use it 20 times. I don't have that many correctors. I think I only have 3 correctors. So if I could use this one 20 times, I'll roll in a different one and then so on and so on. I could use this every day or every time I do my makeup. Not every day. I haven't been wearing makeup every day. So I could use this every time I put my makeup on under a concealer, and like especially in the inner corners, it brightens really nicely. So I hope that by putting into this project, I'll actually be able to use it or to remember to use it. So this is it. These are my 6 items for hashtag Partners in Cream 2021. I'm so glad to be joining again this year. I really am gonna make it a goal to actually update every month on the 10th and actually like keep up with that. Last year was just kind of insane for me and for everybody else as well. And somehow it just kind of like, I stopped updating, but I still kept going with the products that I had selected. I'm definitely gonna try much harder this year. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. Please subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.